my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm doing a video that people have been asking for a long time. Well, not this particular one, but videos involving getting the nails off the Poochies hands. So today's video is kind of like an introduction to the Mia's Secret. I'm like obsessed with this already. The Mia's Secret Steamer Remover. So basically, I'll let you just have a good look. You use this to remove the nails. This isn't designed specifically for the Poochie's hand, but works perfectly for it. I'm very happy that I found this because you guys, if you have been watching, you will be aware that I hate removing nails. I hate removing my own nails. And it's very difficult to remove the nails off the Poochie's hands and just removing of nails in general. Now this is going to be part one of the Poochie's hand removal kind of tutorial, I guess, like how to, because this is what I would suggest you do if you have one of these. Obviously these will be available on my website because I'm definitely going to stock them. I think people need these are really cool, really cool. But this is one way to remove them if you want to do a full soak off. This is what I would advise you would do if you're using the proper primer. Now you need the proper primer to get the nails to be really stuck on well. However, I do also sell the Mia's Secret primer, which I'm going to do another video on, a removal when you use that primer where you don't actually have to soak off, but I'll leave that for that video. So that will be coming within the next week or so as well. I wanted to get this one up because it's just one that I've managed to film so far. I did use this steamer on my own hands as well. Did I film it? I think it was in a vlog, but I didn't actually do a full-on filming of it. But my god, you guys, so much quicker. Like half the time for me, because it normally takes me like 3 hours to do one hand. And I think it took me about an hour to do one hand. Maybe less than that. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you and talk you through it. But basically, you use the steamer, you put the hands in, and I think it like, I don't even think your fingers have to be in the acetone. I think it steams the acetone up onto you. I'm not 100% sure on the science behind this, guys, but it's really freaking cool. So yeah, I'm really excited to be able to bring this to IdleGirl, and I'm excited to show you guys this. And this is definitely a how to remove the Poochie's nails. You don't need to use this if you want to remove the Poochie's nails. You can use a regular soak-off ball, but you need to remember these hands are not, they don't have blood inside them. They're not warm. Acetone is going to take longer to soak them. This is just perfect. For the fact that these are cold, that these are cold hands, it's perfect because it means that it like. I'm just so excited. I'm just going to get into the video, guys, and I'm just going to show you. So let's get into it. And this is what she looks like now. I didn't keep the entire thing in. I did it, I think, 4 times or maybe more, because what I did, I'll see if I can show you, but you can see that she has her cuticles like under the cuticle there. You will find that acetone will get in there. So once you've kind of removed it all, but they're still in there a little bit, pop her in again with some fresh acetone for it to steam through, and it just clears it out. It is so, so easy. You can also use a orange stick, an orange stick to try and get in there as well, and tweezers if you have some hard acetone. That is in there. That is a question that I've been getting. People have been getting confused thinking that they're stuck together. They're not stuck together, it's just the fact that there's still some acrylic in there, and that's what's sticking it. As soon as you melt away all that acrylic, like this is what it should be like. If I can show you. This is what she should look like when you're ready to pop her nails back on. It's something I've been getting messages from people. Some people were worried thinking that there shouldn't have been the slit there at all. Yes, it is supposed to be there. It's what you are going to slide the nail into. I'm going to have a reapplication video coming very, very soon as well. Just of me showing you again. I do already have one, but just I'm going to do it again for you guys and just have it as a separate video so you can just... the title will just be something like reapplying the tips of the POOCHIEZ hand, and you will just be able to click on that. It's just going to make things easy for people so that you really are using this properly and you know what you're doing, kind of thing. I hope that makes sense. So that is it for this video. I just wanted to do a nice how to remove, basically a full-on removal, soak off removal of the nails on the POOCHIEZ Nails Realistic Practice Hand. So my Bella is now all ready for reapplication, and I will be reapplying those nails very, very soon, and I'll show y'all how to do it. Although I am nowhere near as good at this as Poochie, she has a knack to it. She's a lot better than me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. I will leave links to where you can get the POOCHIEZ hand from, and I'll leave links to the website for the steamer, but it's not on there yet. I haven't actually got them yet. But yeah, it will be coming very, very soon. So thanks for watching, guys. Mwah, I love you so much.